Tesla, Waymo, and Apple are all racing to create the first fully driverless car, but only one might dominate the roads in 2026. Waymo is already ahead in real-world operations. Their vehicles drive fully autonomously in select cities, using LiDAR, radar, and AI to detect obstacles, pedestrians, and traffic in real time. Waymo cars make split-second decisions faster than most humans, and experts say this could make roads much safer. Tesla has a different strategy. Instead of LiDAR, Tesla relies on cameras and neural networks trained on billions of miles of real driving data. Every Tesla on the road helps train the system. By 2026, Tesla aims to make cars capable of handling almost any driving scenario with minimal human intervention. Apple has stayed quiet, but reports suggest their autonomous vehicle will focus on premium design, advanced AI, and safety features. If Apple enters the market, it could disrupt the industry in a big way, just like it did with smartphones and electric cars. Comparing the three, Waymo leads in actual driverless operations, Tesla leads in AI learning through massive data, and Apple leads in premium user experience. Each company has a different approach, and the race is far from over. The competition is not just about technology. It's about trust. Can people trust AI with their lives on the road? Can autonomous cars make the right decision every time? These are the questions that will decide how quickly driverless cars are adopted globally. Driverless cars promise fewer accidents, reduced traffic, and more efficient transportation. But they also raise questions about responsibility. Who is accountable if something goes wrong? Waymo, Tesla, Apple, or the passenger? These debates will shape the future of mobility. One thing is clear, the driverless car revolution is here. The next few years will decide which company leads the market, which technology wins, and who changes driving forever. Waymo is already testing fully autonomous cars on public roads. Using LiDAR, radar, and advanced AI, these vehicles can detect pedestrians, anticipate traffic behavior, and react in milliseconds. Experts say Waymo could be the first to safely scale driverless transport worldwide. Tesla's approach is different. Instead of expensive sensors, Tesla uses cameras and neural networks trained on billions of miles of real-world driving data. Each Tesla helps improve AI learning. By 2026, Tesla aims for full autonomy, letting humans sit back while the car handles almost everything. Apple remains secretive, but rumors suggest their car will focus on luxury, safety, and unmatched AI performance. If Apple launches, it could set a new standard for autonomous vehicles and premium design, pushing other companies to innovate faster. Waymo, Tesla, and Apple all have different strategies. Waymo leads in real-world operations, Tesla dominates AI data-driven learning, and Apple focuses on premium experience and safety. Each approach has its advantages, but the question is, who will dominate the future of driverless cars? Autonomous cars are not just about technology. They're about trust. Can humans hand over control to a machine? Will we feel safe on roads run entirely by AI? The answers to these questions will determine how fast this revolution happens. Driverless cars could reduce accidents, decrease traffic, and even reshape cities. But they also raise challenges: accountability in case of accidents, public acceptance, and regulatory hurdles. Companies must solve these before full adoption. The next few years will be critical. Waymo might expand its robotaxi fleet, Tesla may push mass-market autonomy, and Apple could introduce its game-changing luxury autonomous car. Watching their progress is like watching the future unfold in real time. Driverless cars are no longer the future, they are already here, and three giants, Tesla, Waymo, and Apple, are racing to change the way we travel forever. Waymo has taken the lead with fully autonomous cars operating on real streets. Equipped with LiDAR, radar, and advanced AI, Waymo vehicles can detect pedestrians, anticipate traffic, and make life-saving decisions faster than any human. Their technology is proven and already running in select cities. Tesla is taking a different path. Instead of expensive sensors, Tesla relies on cameras and neural networks trained on billions of miles of real driving data. Every Tesla on the road is teaching the system to become smarter. By 2026, Tesla plans to offer nearly full autonomy, where drivers become mere passengers. Apple, the most secretive of the three, is rumored to focus on premium autonomous vehicles. With advanced AI, luxurious interiors, and unmatched safety features, Apple's car could redefine the autonomous driving experience once it launches. Comparing the three, Waymo excels in real-world deployment, Tesla dominates AI data-driven learning, and Apple aims for a premium, reliable user experience. The race is tight, but only one can dominate the driverless roads. The real challenge isn't technology, it's trust. Can humans truly let go of the steering wheel and rely on a machine? Driverless cars promise safer roads, less traffic, and more free time, but people must feel confident that AI will always make the right decision. In 2026, expect Waymo to expand its robotaxi fleet, Tesla to bring mass-market full autonomy, and Apple to set new standards in luxury AI vehicles. The competition will define the next era of driving. So, who will you trust to drive you safely in the future? Tesla, Waymo, or Apple? Comment below with your pick. If you enjoy future, AI, and smart cars, subscribe to MVP Auto 9X, and don't forget to watch the next video on the end screen backhand index pointing down.